Hello everyone, this is Çağatay. I'm the founder of Contact Circuit. In this video, I would like to show you a small demonstration of our application and how it works on our web version. Um, the application is currently available on Google Play Store, and hopefully the iOS version will be available soon as well, because we developed the application on Flutter. All versions will be available very soon. So if you don't know anything about Contact Circuit, just briefly, Contact Circuit is a social and professional network platform with contact management functions and user interface to keep your contacts up to date. So the main idea is to continuously provide valid email address and a phone number of a contact you have in your list by having individuals and companies subscribing to each other's profile in a network platform. So in the future, you'll be able to add as many profiles as you want to your existing account. So each additional profile will be a profile, which you will be also able to publish it on a public directory, which we call it the circuit directory, and then that will be very similar to like Yellow Pages or Google Maps or whatever. So if you're not a member yet, you have to hit try beta here, and then you have to verify your number first, and then verify your email address on the second step. And then once you do that, you'll create your username and password, and you'll be inside the application. And let's go back here. You can sign in with your email address or your phone number. I will do it with my let me do it with my email address, so you see my email address, and if you want to contact me, you can contact me with this email address if you want. The Kibrit is my interior architecture company in my practice that I founded in 2008. I'm an interior architect, by the way. So let's start with my password here. And you are in. Each time you log in to your account, or each time you relaunch the application, it will have to go back to the DB and see if there's any updates. So that's why in the beginning it takes a little bit time long to open up this page. So when you first sign up, since you won't have any contacts, you'll get the option of you'll be able to hit a button here and import your existing contacts from your mobile device, or you can just manually add contacts from here. And if you don't have any contacts imported yet, when you hit this button, you'll also get the option of importing your contacts. So let's say add here, and then let's create a fake profile here. And then I'll add there's no such email address like this, but I'll just make this profile just to show you how you invite one another. So you can invite one person with either a mobile phone number through SMS or an email address. So I prefer the email address. You hit here, and then it saves the contact. And then since there's an email address here, you'll get an invite button here. And then once you hit the invite button, it sends an invitation to that email address. And once that person receives the invitation, signs up and signs up on the profile with that email address. If they sign up with that email address, they'll get a notification here. They'll see your invitation here with the accept or reject button, and then once they accept it, they will. Sorry. Oh, let's go back here. Once they accept your invitation, their contact will turn into this color will turn into a yellow, or if they add a picture, they will get a yellow ring around their profile picture, and they will get listed on the top, and hopefully they will have more information than you had before, and you'll get to see all that information in their profile. So say for instance, as a friend of mine, I logged him in with just a letter and then his email address. I sent him an invitation. He created his own profile. Let's go here. In his profile, you see all his. I did super fast, so just for security purposes. Sorry. So you get all this, all the information that he put in his profile. And if you're not connected with anybody, any of these contacts, they remain white, and they remain white. So I don't know if I mentioned this, but this number here, 782, is the total contacts I have, and the 42 is the connected contacts I have. So you can add any contacts to your favorite lists. You can create groups and add profiles to any groups you want, and each group you create gets listed here also. And the mobile version, you can, with a slider gesture, you can switch between groups. In the future, you'll be able to click and hold and drag and change the order of these groups. So also you click and hold and you can edit the group, you can change the name of the group, you can add tags to the group. Each tag you add to a group also adds that tag to the people in the contacts in that group as well. So this is currently not working yet, but say I tag this group with technology and some other keywords, I'll be able to search everybody in that group with that keyword in my contact list. And circuit directory. Circuit directory is also a feature that we will launch in the future. So each profile you add to your account, you'll be able to publish it in the circuit directory. This is like Yellow Pages or LinkedIn or Google Maps in a way. So I use Google Maps pretty much like a phone book. I find restaurants in my area, I call them to order food or for similar purposes. So let's go back to contacts here. And so let's go to this here. So when you click when you click here, you go to the drawer menu. In the drawer menu, from this pull down button, you will see your additional profiles listed here. In the future, when you have a pro account, you'll get it listed here, and then you'll be able to switch in between those profiles. If you click this, you'll see your profile, your own profile. So this is very maybe I can show you this because this is my information. You can add as many as fields you want to your profile. See, I have my LinkedIn profile, I have my Instagram, Pinterest, I have my company's Linktree profiles here. You can create like you can add URLs, and then if you choose the custom URL, you can give any title you want. This is like almost like Linktree, and then from these let's go back. Sorry. From these links, you can go to contact circuits, Linktree account. You can go to my company's Google Maps here for directions, my Instagram, and you can start the default email application here. This is super nice. I was actually like dreaming about a feature like this. Chrome made it available right now. So uh, if it knows that this is a number here, if I click this, and if I have an associated late Android device, I can call that number from my Android device without even touching that Android device. I'll just have to pick it up and talk. So let's go back here. Let's go to settings. You can change language. Currently we have English and Turkish. You can change this to light, which is I think nicer this way. But yeah, for you can choose the dark mode if you want. If you want to give us feedback, you can click the give feedback button. It will take you to our LinkedIn page, and then you can follow us from our LinkedIn page and drop a feedback from here. You can delete your account. I wouldn't log out. I think basically this is pretty much it for the available version of Contact Circuit. And thank you so much for listening and watching. And I hope you sign up. I hope you start benefiting from this great contact management tool. As an interior architect, I founded Kibrit Project in 2008, and another company in the building material Kibrit Material is a building material supplier. We've been having lots of trouble with contact management, and no CRM tool, Microsoft Exchange, none of the existing similar applications gives you this opportunity, gives you these features to automatically keep your contacts up to date. Once you're connected with your contacts, you won't have to worry about having their updated information anymore, because when you sign up and verify your email address and your phone number, we will periodically see if you're actively using those information. So yeah, again, thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you on the platform.